Hi students, and welcome to week 11 in your online lifespan growth and development course. This week we are moving into adulthood. So this is specifically emerging adulthood. So we're looking at 18 years to about 25 years old. And in this chapter, which is the newest stage of lifespan that has been infused into lifespan overall, um, you'll see the research and the backing of understanding brain development and so forth for the need to put in this stage called emerging adulthood. And so let's take a look at your module for the week. You have your last journal. I was looking, sorry, I kind of was distracted there. I was looking for the PowerPoint. Here that is. You have your last journal, as I was saying. So journal number 4 is due. In this journal, let's take a look at it here. Will actually have you think about your 5-year goals, your 10-year goals, kind of looking ahead there as you're thinking about adulthood in terms of not just your career, but your personal relationships, your self-growth, your family plans, your home plans, your travel plans, etc. So I like this as your last journal. You've really examined your life up to this point, and no matter where you are in terms of your stage of adulthood or late adolescence, I love this. What are your 5-year goals? What are your 10-year goals? And really start thinking ahead there. So I think it's a great way to end our journaling for the semester. I have appreciated everything you have done in your journals so far. You have done an excellent job of reflecting on these lifespan topics. And I hope that you've found it worth your time and your effort, and it had you explore some ideas in your own life. And hopefully, you'll keep journaling in some form of fashion. So, last journal assignment for the class. And also in this week's module, you will have your quiz for this chapter. So sorry, shut me down. Okay, so here we are. Here we are back to week 11. So your PowerPoint, your journal number 4, and your chapter 11 practice quiz. So hopefully you have a great week. It is the last week. If you're watching this on Monday, it's Happy Halloween if you celebrate Halloween, and our last day of October and our first week of November. So hopefully November is a great month for you. Please reach out if you have any questions. Take care, everyone.